African village life, village food. Welcome to our channel. I'm Margaret Mogo from Embu County. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. I'm Margaret Mogo. Today we are cooking rice and Ndengu, or green peas. Thank you. We are cooking Ndengu stew and rice. Let me know in your village, how do you call them? In our Embu language, we call them Ndengu. In English, they are called green grams. Leave a sweet comment for your mom from Embu County. Remember, we are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Kindly consider subscribing, and if you are new to our channel, welcome and welcome back again. African queen. Wow. Boiled Ndengu for 30 minutes. We are ready. Wow. Those are accompaniment recipe: hoho, green pepper, carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes. Let us start straight away by boiling our rice for 30 minutes. Wow. Drop a sweet comment for your African queen. This is how we cook in Kenya. Wow. Remember, we use 3 stones and firewood. In village, we use kitchen, outside kitchen, inside kitchen. Remember, this is sunny season. Inside the kitchen, there is a lot of heat. You can see. We start by frying our onions into a golden brown. Then we add our recipe. Wow. We add salt, and then we add potatoes. After frying potatoes, we shall add the Ndengu. For a good stew, we shall add water. For a soup, remember, we as a Kikuyus, we need a lot of soup. Food without soup is a no-good one. So we have to add soup because the rice is boiled. So we shall serve Ndengu stew and boiled rice. You can see the food is ready. An African queen is serving the food. All plates together for children, for dad, and for visitors. We serve our food direct from the kitchen. You can see. Wow. Hand soup, mommy. Remember, we use a fresh fry cooking oil. One oil industries. The food is ready to serve. Delicious. Wow. Yummy. Yummy. Leave a good comment. Let me know in your village, how do you cook Ndengu stew? Wow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome again.